Welcome back, guys, to another video. Big news with Tesla, especially with everyone looking at the delivery numbers. Recently, we just got some pretty massive price upgrades for Tesla simply because of increased orders. Banks and also major hedge funds absolutely love it when a specific company has really amazing sales. Obviously, Tesla initially started out as a really big speculation. Now they're an absolute force to be reckoned with, because we got some big news about how Tesla could be delivering 1 million vehicles for 2021. Initially, everyone thought it could be roughly 700 to 800,000 at best, and that's still a massive record. But imagine breaking through 1 million. You were looking at a lot of money here. So first thing, we do have to talk about the rumors about the 1 million cars delivered in 2021. Musk last month was on a call with employees saying that Tesla would be producing 1 million cars this year and saying that 2022 should be even better. Remember, 2021, it's only going to produce 1 million instead of even more because one, the Model S and the Model X will not be under production and delivered until the second quarter of this year. Tesla Semi and also Cybertruck will not be under production until the end of this year, and Tesla will be lucky to even get some deliveries out for those two vehicles to their respective consumers. And last but not least, the Roadster. It's nowhere near production. It should be coming out next year, 2022 most likely. So we should be seeing the orders slowly racking up. If you guys are an active investor in the stock market, or if you're an active investor in Tesla, I highly recommend definitely checking out some Tesla stock and also all of these factories going online. Tesla actually hasn't put out a specific production or delivery guideline for 2021. They're usually pretty quiet about this. But if you check out this Twitter post last month by Sawyer Merritt, you can see it's breaking, told by a few sources that Elon Musk held a company-wide call today for Tesla. 2020 review was pretty good, some interesting things, but keep in mind that 2021 should be 1 million cars being delivered because the Gigafactory Shanghai is expanding a lot. And speaking of the Gigafactory Shanghai, the Gigafactory Shanghai Phase 3 is currently under production, should wrap up at the end of this year. But you may be wondering, what vehicle are they producing? Are they making more Model Ys? Are they making more Model S's? What's happening? They're actually going to be making the Model 2, which is this budget-friendly Tesla hatchback vehicle. It's pretty incredible looking. It's only $25,000 and it should be selling absolutely fast. And right now, the numbers are really exciting for Tesla, especially getting 184,000 deliveries for Q1 of this year, beating analyst estimates of 170,000 vehicles, simply only getting the Model 3 and the Model Ys under production. Model S and Model X, once again, in Q1, virtually no deliveries because it's going through the refresh model. Factories are under renovations, so they are not under production. They weren't even delivered. So only 2 vehicles made Tesla break records. That's pretty impressive. And then you also have even more leaks. And this is from the supplier. Once again, Tesla is pretty silent about their actual vehicle production numbers and delivery targets for this year, 2021. But updates from the company's supply chain suggest a totally different area. The numbers are impressive, and from the reports, seems like the company should be hitting 1 million vehicles in 2021. You do have Sysgration, which is this Bluetooth TPMS, and since each Tesla vehicle has 4 tires, it needs 4 of these Bluetooth products in it. So you do have Sysgration's Bluetooth TPMS, and we do have a lot of orders. For example, 2020, there was 1 million units ordered for the Model Y. And right now, they are making a bigger factory. They are scaling up production because they are supplying Tesla's Bluetooth tire pressure monitoring system, TPMS. Now, TPMS, obviously you need 4 of them for a single car because a car has 4 wheels. And because they just received an order for 4 million units, guess what? 4 million units divided by 4 is 1 million, meaning that we're looking at 1 million vehicles for 2021. And Tesla usually orders in massive bulks. And because of so many brand new vehicles coming out, this shouldn't really be coming as a big surprise. And Sysgration, in fact, is now investing $600 million into a brand new factory that should be allowing it to expand its production of its tire pressure monitoring system units. It's very nice. So far, Sysgration has been an absolutely successful company. Right now, they are commanding roughly 90% of the Bluetooth TPMS segment. It's huge, and I think Tesla is really gaining steam and giving Sysgration a really great massive contract, and it's looking great. And you also have these massive orders for the Tesla Semi. I know the Tesla Semi is one of those vehicles that no one really talk about, but keep in mind that Tesla Semis are extremely expensive. It's like $150,000 to $200,000 in that price range. And they constantly are receiving massive orders. I've been talking about the Tesla Semi for quite some time, and I'm guessing that this should be getting orders once every couple weeks. And these orders are pretty big, with some companies ordering only a few trucks, but they say that if the trucks are good, they should be expanded to 100, even 500 vehicles in the future. So the contracts are there, and we should be seeing a massive explosion of orders for the Tesla Semi, especially right now. No one is really making a car like the Cybertruck. No one is really making like an electric hypercar like the Roadster, and no one is really making the Tesla Semi. It's one of those vehicles that people just simply can't make because it's just too advanced, and Tesla is years and years ahead. What I'm just saying here is, if you guys are an active investor, if you're trying to find some more value, if you want to buy some call options long term or buy some shares to hold, I highly recommend Tesla. The stock hasn't even hit $1 trillion, and car sales are exploding off the roof. Most investors right now are not really looking at the car sales. They're kind of sleeping on the stock since there's a lot of other really cool companies to buy in. But I feel like once the attention rotates back to Tesla, I feel like share prices will definitely go up. Delivered targets for 2021. It's really impressive. 1 million vehicles. Because no official report is saying that Tesla is hitting 1 million vehicles, most hedge funds and institutions are not buying in. But once we start looking at some of the leaks and also credible sources from several individuals, and also Sysgration, which is delivering a bunch of Tesla's Bluetooth tire pressure monitoring systems, I think we have a pretty good chance of Tesla really racking up to 1 million cars delivered. Not to mention, their battery department recently has gotten massive orders and contracts for the mega packs and also the charging stations and the power walls, solar roofs. It's looking great for Tesla. It's a really big money making machine. And we should be seeing more news about the autopilot system and also the Model 2, which is a cheaper version of the Model 3 built on the same skateboard design, and it should be priced at roughly $25,000. So far, we should be seeing even more leaks and rumors coming in. And because of all these brand new products that will really go under heavy production for 2022 could be looking at 2 million, even 3 million vehicles produced. And with the share prices being at this current price, we all saw how explosive the shares were when the good delivery reports came out. Tesla went up 7%, even though the rest of the market didn't really do as well as they did. And so far, I feel like Tesla could definitely be carrying a lot of other smaller companies with them, and we should be seeing more leaks and rumors from their supply chain. So that's why, guys, definitely subscribe for more Tesla news. We also have more news on the autopilot system. The Model 2 will be extremely appealing to hear about. It's $25,000, but we should be seeing some production records coming out since Tesla always follows these things. Obviously, we know that Tesla recently has been pretty controversial in the eyes of the media with like really crazy autopilot stuff, and also cars, brakes, stuff like that. It's a pretty big iffy mess, but I feel like it's just white noise right now. Once they get through it, it should be looking pretty good. That's about it. Thanks for watching, guys. Definitely subscribe for more daily Tesla videos.